Recently, I saw this animation video on YouTube and Instagram. I found this design very attractive and I liked it a lot, so I took inspiration from Motion and made something like this. But before starting the video, I would like to request you to watch the video till the end and not skip it at all, because my watch time is very short. Now let's go to the screen. First of all, create a project 1080 by 1920. Give a title to your project. Create a rectangle shape for background. Add a PNG picture of your famous celebrity. I'm trying to make it blend with background, so for that, I'm adding a saturation effect to it. And take it all the way to Minis 100%, and then add a contrast/brightness and adjust as you like. Add something related to your main character. Well, in my case, I'm adding this famous skull from Johnny Depp's most underrated movie, Pirate of Caribbean. What is your favorite movie? Let me know in the comment below. Now add a rope PNG set the position just like me. By the way, you need this PNG pictures, you can get it. Link is in the description. Select both of them and group them and set anchor point all the way up here. In case, if you don't know, just double tap on the position icon to move the anchor point. Duplicate the group for shadow. Add a solid color effect and change the color to black. And then add a blur. Drag it slightly down. Now tap on rotation property. Go to first keyframe and make it 29 pumps, then go to last keyframe and make it Minis 29 pumps to make it look real moving shadow. After that, copy the graph from above layer and paste it on the shadow. Now grab a pen tool and draw a shape like this. Now link the shape layer to the hanging one and drag it to starting point. Hide these three layers for a while and add text so that you can see the text clearly. Now group these three text layers together. Now go to the Add effect of the shape layer and add Copy Background effect. Make sure to keep your text right above the shape and click on Create Clipping Mask, and boom, your half text reveal is ready. Now do the same for the rest of the text. This time create a shape on the left side. Now add a paper texture on it to make it look professional. Now do some lighting and color collection on your own. And with that, this animation is complete. You can give me ideas in the comment section about what the next tutorial video should be about. And yes, be sure to tell me how you liked the video.